How to use Google Authenticator with Binance. So if you want to use Google Authenticator with your Binance, then first you need to open up your Binance. Make sure that you've installed the application. After installing, you need to just go with login and then log into your account. We turn on the two-factor authentication from my Authenticator application. So in order to log in, I need to have the Binance code. So if you also want to set the two-factor authentication or the code, then you just need simply open or log in and then go with the upper left, which has that profile icon. From the profile, you need to go with settings, which is on the top right, and from here you need to scroll down and you may have privacy setting. If you don't find it right here, you can go with Binance Pro, go with the upper left again, which has that profile, and from here you'll have more services. Go with more services and go with security. Under security, you will have two-factor authentication. So you just need to simply tap on the Authenticator app, and in my case I've already added. So just for an example, I'll just simply go and delete the Authenticator app and then again add it. Now as you can see that I've deleted. Now you may have this kind of interface. So you need to go with enable, which is on the bottom, and you can either scan the QR code or you can also go with copy and then copy the 16-digit key. After copying the key, you need to open up your Authenticator. After opening the Authenticator, you need to go with the plus, which is on the bottom, and then go with enter setup key, and here you need to paste the key, enter the code name, which is Binance, and then go with add, and that's it. Now you can copy this code, go back, go with next, enter the code right here or paste the code and then go with submit, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.